found me a new implement for Turd. Let's put this tractor to work. This is why I can never sell peanut.
So close.
Okay, now we will see what this is all about. Cute. I put the pin over there. Darn it.
Oh, let me get. Where is it?
I get all excited about this and then I forget what I'm doing. Cute.
Where'd you put the hammer?
Yeah. Should just WD-40 it probably. Okay. Now, I guess I'll just pull forward. I can do that maybe. Yeah, just pull forward a little bit.
Just a smidge. There you go.
Is that enough? Or is it too much? Obviously it's too much.
You want to roll?
Back up.
I stopped recording when that happened. It's alright.
Okay. Let's see, I was worried about this one. Because this chain's a little shorter than that one. I was thinking we might have to replace it. So I think that's true.
I'd say I just pull it on this side. Owie. There we go.
Okay. A few pins.
Yep. Was the third one for up here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then about a fourth one just in casies. Because they were only 49 cents. I guess we'll see if old Turd can
handle it.
lift this sucker, I guess.
There.
It does adjust pretty well with weight on it.
Yeah. It did. It scraped it flat.
Look how pissed the ants are.
Good. Fuck 'em.
Look, it did a grating.
It did. Cute.
That is cute.
Go, Turd. Like a new seal right there? Keep it from leaking?
Yeah, re-thread it in there maybe. It does move.
Does what's supposed to. Yeah, wide angle.
I don't know which way you're supposed to turn on this thing to make it go up and down.
Yeah, I don't know.
Gotcha. So it's lefty lifty, righty let downy.
Got it.
However that means.
Got it. Yeah, I was looking at that. Yeah, now you're like this.
Try a little bit and see what it looks like.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start just like right there and just do like a little bit.
Okay. Now, one thing I would let you know is your edge of your blade is inside your tire like here.
I know.
So
I was gonna try to.
the problem is if you get too far over, you're gonna be lopsided. So
Let me see what happens.
like it's flattening it out.
Okay.
Yeah. Cute.
Huh? 2,000 years later.